What's up guys, Mike from Soundoftristate here in Folsom, Pennsylvania, back with a vehicle from our buddies over at Adams Property Maintenance. This one was in for a dash camera, which also does GPS tracking. So I just wanted to go over a couple features this thing does in case you missed any of my other videos about this piece. It's the absolute hottest item I'm selling right now. We've been selling an absolute ton of them. So if you guys are looking for a Christmas gift this year, or you have a business and you're looking to get some updated features on your fleet vehicle, this would be a great addition. So I'll give you the rundown real quick of what this thing does and why it's so valuable. So camera comes with the front facing one. It goes right on the windshield, as you can see. There's an option to purchase a secondary camera for either the inside of the vehicle or facing out the rear window. This thing has a built-in shock sensor, built-in tilt sensor, and built-in motion sensor. So if your vehicle's parked, anybody hits the vehicle or walks in front of it or tries jacking it up, it's going to turn on automatically and start recording. The last awesome thing why this thing is so valuable, it has the capability for GPS tracking. So if you can activate the service, you'll be able to locate any of your vehicles. If you get multiple cameras, you can name each vehicle, take pictures of them. From there, there's a ton of features. It'll tell you every time a vehicle turns on or off. You can locate where the vehicles are. You can set perimeters, you can set speed limits, tons and tons of features. And also, if you have a new driver, it's really great for that as well. If you want to keep an eye on them, make sure they're driving safely. God forbid something happens, whether it's a new driver or a fleet vehicle, you will actually have everything on camera so you can prove that it wasn't your fault. So these things are a really hot item. I have a ton of them in stock. If you're looking for something for Christmas for somebody you care about and you're really on the fence, you don't know what to get, this is something most people won't think of, but it's an awesome idea. You can either purchase just the camera and let them handle the installation, or you can get a gift card from us and pay for the labor as well. So if you guys are looking for a dash camera, and maybe not this one, I have others as well, please reach out, 610-328-0301. Thank you.